Welcome to Esoteric Travels, where we take you on journeys to extraordinary destinations. Today, we're embarking on a one-of-a-kind adventure, though with a small disclaimer. Please do not travel to this destination unless you're a trained astronaut and have the proper equipment, as it's not quite the same as jetting off to Spain. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for our top 5 things to do on the moon. Before we reveal the lunar attractions, let's delve into the fascinating history of Earth's celestial companion, the moon. Formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago, it's believed to have originated from a giant impact when a celestial body collided with Earth. This cataclysmic event resulted in the moon we know today. It's roughly 1/4 the size of Earth, and 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers, away from us. In 1969, during NASA's Apollo 11 mission, the world watched in awe as astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin took those historic first steps onto the moon's surface. This iconic moment marked the beginning of human lunar exploration. To date, there have been 6 successful Apollo landings on the moon, with the final mission in 1972. The moon's surface is not neatly organized into continents as we find on Earth. Instead, it exhibits 2 primary regional divisions, Lunar Maria and Lunar Highlands. The Lunar Maria, which are vast, dark plains formed from ancient volcanic activity, are predominantly visible from Earth when observing the moon. Notable examples include Mare Imbrium, Sea of Showers, and Mare Tranquillitatis, Sea of Tranquility, among others. These Maria are found on the side of the moon that faces Earth, and are the regions we commonly see in the night sky. Conversely, the Lunar Highlands, characterized by elevated terrain and a greater density of impact craters, are typically found on the far side of the moon, the side that is not visible from Earth. These highlands are older and more rugged in comparison to the smoother Maria, due to their exposure to more frequent impacts over billions of years. The moon is tidally locked to the Earth, meaning it always shows the same face to our planet. The average distance around the moon's equator is roughly 10,921 kilometers, about 6,785 miles. If one were to imagine flying an airplane around the entire moon, at a consistent speed of approximately 965 kilometers per hour, 600 miles per hour, it would take over 11 hours to complete the journey. However, it's important to note that the moon lacks an atmosphere, so there is no flying in the conventional sense. Now that we know more about this dreamy destination, let's dive into our top 5 sites. 1. Copernicus Crater. Our first lunar attraction is the Copernicus Crater, a stunning impact crater that's about 800 million years old. It's larger than many cities on Earth, and going from one side to the other would be like walking from Washington, D.C. to Baltimore, Maryland. Its size and distinct appearance are reminiscent of the meteor crater in Winslow, Arizona, making it an extraordinary spot to hike along. While we can't physically be there, thanks to technology, you can take a virtual lunar hike while admiring the crater's vastness and the craggy lunar terrain. 2. The Sea of Tranquility. Next up is the Sea of Tranquility, a region where the Apollo 11 mission made its historic landing in 1969. It's where humans first set foot on the moon, leaving behind footprints, a flag, and the lunar module. You can mimic the steps of the first astronauts, virtually exploring the very spot where Neil Armstrong took that famous small step for man. 3. Tycho crater. Our third stop, Tycho crater, is a relatively young crater at just 108 million years old. Its size and characteristics make it resemble a colossal impact site. You can virtually hike up the rim and look down into the dramatic crater floor, surrounded by its radiating patterns of ejecta. It's like hiking through a grand lunar canyon. 4. The Sea of Showers, Mare Imbrium. As we continue our lunar journey, we invite you to explore the breathtaking expanse of Mare Imbrium, or the Sea of Showers. This immense lunar mare is a vast, dark, and flat plain of solidified lava with a diameter of approximately 1,200 kilometers, 746 miles. This mare is thought to have formed approximately 3.8 billion years ago when a massive asteroid or comet impacted the lunar surface, creating a basin. Over time, this basin filled with molten lava, resulting in the broad, flat expanse we see today. While we can't experience zero gravity here physically, you can virtually traverse its ancient plains and imagine the countless stories it holds. With its flat terrain and intriguing geological features, Mare Imbrium is a captivating destination to explore. 5. The lunar rovers. And finally, don't miss the lunar rovers left behind by Apollo missions. These rugged vehicles revolutionize lunar exploration and remain parked on the moon's surface. They're about the size of a compact car, and while you can't interact with them in real life, you can virtually approach them. Imagine standing next to these iconic machines that helped astronauts traverse the lunar landscape. The future of moon colonization. Looking ahead, the future holds exciting prospects. Organizations like NASA and visionaries like Elon Musk are exploring the idea of human colonization on the moon. NASA's Artemis program, named after Apollo's sister in Greek mythology, aims to return humans to the moon, this time to establish a sustainable lunar presence. Started in 2019, NASA plans to use the Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the moon, as a staging point for future missions. This sustainable lunar exploration will allow us to learn and test technologies needed for even more ambitious missions, like sending humans to Mars. Elon Musk's SpaceX is also working on lunar missions as part of their ambitious plans for space exploration. His vision includes using SpaceX's Starship spacecraft for lunar travel. There you have it. These are our top 5 things to do on the moon, alongside a journey through its history and a glimpse into its exciting future. While lunar travel may be out of reach for most of us, the moon's mysteries continue to captivate our imagination. And with organizations like NASA and innovators like Elon Musk leading the way, we may soon see humans living and working on the moon. Thank you for joining us on this unique journey. If you enjoyed our lunar adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring the world, whether it's here on Earth or beyond.